welcome back. Today we gonna see the review and the working of the pulse oximeter of the TrueView and the other company, whereas these are to the information given by oxygen levels of the body and of model, and the MRP price is 3000 rupees. You can get it for 1500 to 2000 around approximately. So this is the other contact of CMS 550D. So this is the other pulse oximeter where the MRP price is 4999. You can get it to the around 3000 etc. So now let's open this and see how this may work. So first, this is like a shape of a paper clip which is of fat for the finger adjustable. So this is a model, and the instructions of how to use and measurements is clearly mentioned here with the free body diagram, and the specifications with a warranty and absolute measurements is given here in the manual. So let's keep this aside and join the hands with me to see the working of this pulse oximeter. So one thing you have to remember that never ever try to place two pulse oximeters near, because there contains a sensor or laser. They should not be placed together. Those may distract the sensor and it may dismantle. So you have to use only one. So I will not I will not on one of these pulse oximeter. You can see the batteries. So I'll just keep this pulse oximeter aside. I will not on this. So let's take the other one. So that is a power button. Yeah, I'll open this. And this is also of the same shape, like a finger paper clip. And there is a manual, and with a bonus we have given the neck clip to place around to catch visible thread. So this is a manual how to use. So let's keep this aside and let's power on, and so I will check my body specifications of my oxygen levels and blood levels with the temperature, heartbeat, etc. So contact barcode written and the back with the batteries of Duracell. So let's on the power. You have to press the white button over there for power on, and the finger you have to place inside, and like a paper you have to push and open the clip, and now you place the finger inside. So now it's measuring. So this is the adjustable rotatory sensor is placed in there. Which side you rotate, the screen is adjustable rotating its side. So you can see there it is 360 degrees rotator sensor. SpO2, it means it indicates the oxygen levels of our body, and PRP BPM means beats per minute of our heart rate. Now mine is 98% heartbeat, 97, okay, 118 beats per minute. Yeah, so in this way you have to see, and you can see a spectra in it. There will be a spectra also, like it's placing. Again we will place once. The actual middle finger should be placed in this pulse oximeter, because the blood contains more in the middle finger, and it is the information which shows by this oximeter will be accurate comparing to the other fingers. So my suggested to keep the middle finger. So this is about the pulse oximeter. So if you have one, it's good, or else go out and purchase this. This is very useful in this pandemic situations. If your blood oxygen levels is down of 94, it is harm. So please, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you guys. Meet in the next video. Bye.